Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, your EVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in the last video, what we discussed? What is our lesson name, children? Games we play, right? That is our lesson 6. Games we play. Games we play. In this lesson, what we discussed in the last video? We discussed about different games played by your grandparents and different games played by you. Yes? What are the different games played by your grandparents? What we discussed? Lagori, Gilli Danda, hopscotch, blindfold, hide and seek, board games. What about you? You will play cricket, football, tennis, and what are the different games you can play? Tell me, children. Yes, tennis, football, all these games you are playing nowadays. Right, children? Do you understand the difference between the games played by those days and nowadays? What are the different games we are playing? Today, I am going to explain you about the different types of games. I told you games are differentiated into two types. What are those? Indoor games and outdoor games. First, we will discuss about indoor games. About indoor games. Indoor games. Do you know what are the indoor games? Indoor games are played by these games. The indoor games played inside the house. Indoor games are nothing but the games which are played inside the house. They will not go to anywhere. They will go in the house only. Do you know what are those different games? Yes, different board games. Board games can be played indoor only. Indoor games are nothing but the games which can be played inside the house. అంటే ఇంటి లోపల మనం ఆడే ఆటలన్నిటినీ కూడా మనం ఏమంటామమ్మా? ఇండోర్ గేమ్స్ అంటాం. ఏమంటాం? ఇండోర్ గేమ్స్. ఇండోర్ గేమ్స్కి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఏంటంటే బోర్డ్ గేమ్స్. చెస్ is having a board and it is indoor game. No need to go outside. Inside the house we can, if you are having the chess board, you can play the chess. If you are playing chess, it is very good for your brain. It will become very sharp if you are playing chess. Okay, after chess, caroms. How many of you are having carom board? Yes, carom game also, carom board. If you are having carom board, you can play caroms also. Caroms also inside the house we can play. Inside the house we can play chess, caroms and so many video games. Video games you can play inside the house. No need to go outside. So these are the indoor games. What we call it as indoor games. These games which we will play inside the house only. That's why we can call it as indoor games. Example is some board games, chess, caroms and video games are the different games which can be played inside the house. And the children, some of the games, indoor games, they can play, single person can be played. No need of another person. Yes, indoor games some are single person can play. Do you know what are those examples? Yes, those are video games. Video game, no need of another person. And indoor games, some group games are also there. Do you know what are those? Group games. Yes, group games are nothing but here you can play the chess. You can play the chess with two people. Another people should be there. Caroms, you can play with 4 members. And different games, board games for snake and ladder. you can play with some group of people. So these games can be played by a single person and also with a group of people also we can play. Single person, what are the games you can play? Video game, no need of another person, you can play alone only. మీరు ఒక్కలా ఆడుకోవచ్చు కదమ్మా వీడియో గేమ్, అది ఇండోర్ గేమే. వీడియో గేమ్స్ ఎవరైనా అవసరం ఉంటుందా? నో. మొబైల్ గేమ్స్ మీరు ఆడుతూ ఉంటారు కదా, మొబైల్ గేమ్స్లో కూడా మీరు ఒక్కలే కదా ఆడుకోవచ్చు. ఎవరైనా సపోర్ట్ కావాలా? అక్కర్లేదు. అనదర్ మెంబర్ కావాలా మీతో ఆడడానికి? నో నీడ్. దోస్ ఆర్ ద గేమ్స్ విచ్ కెన్ బి ప్లేడ్ విత్ ఏ సింగిల్ పర్సన్. అండ్ గ్రూప్ గేమ్స్ అంటే ఏంటేంటి? గ్రూప్ గేమ్స్కి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏం చెప్పాను? క్యారమ్స్, యూ కెన్ ప్లే విత్ 4 మెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ another game is chess. So that is also a group game. How many people can play chess? 2 people. Like that only. Board games we can play with group of people. Snake and ladder, that also you can play with group of people. That is about indoor games. All of you understand, children? Yes, it can be played by single person and also with a group of people. Next we are going to explain about, we are going to know about outdoor games. What it is? Outdoor games. The name itself only telling that about outdoor games. Outdoor games. What are outdoor games? అసలు outdoor games అంటే ఏంటి? Yes, games which can be played outside. Outside by means here, not inside the house. That means we can have a playground. Outside means here playground. Oh, we need playground. We need playground to play outside. Outside the house we have to play these games. That we can call them as outdoor games. What we can call them as outdoor games. Do you know some examples for outdoor games, children? Yes. Cricket, tennis, yes, hockey, kabaddi, all these games are played outside only. We need a playground. For example, cricket, you need ground. And tennis, you need a court. Tennis ki em kavali? Court kavali. Yes, right, children. Hockey, you have to play in the ground only. Like kabaddi. Yes. Next, football. All these games we need to play outside. We need a playground. Yes, here some games are there where some people are there. For example, tennis, you can play with 2 people, or you can play tennis with 4 people. 4 number of people are we need. What about cricket? A group of people are there. There can be 2 teams should be there. We need 2 teams. Each team having how many members? A number of people we need for one team, and another team is also having number of people. Coming to hockey. Hockey also they have to play between the two groups. Kabaddi also they can be played with two groups. Football. So each and every game is having its own rule. So all the rules are same only. అన్ని గేమ్స్ కి రూల్స్ ఒకలాగే ఉంటాయమ్మా? నో. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ గేమ్ ఈజ్ హ్యావింగ్ ఇట్స్ ఓన్ రూల్. ప్రతి గేమ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? హ్యావింగ్ సమ్ రూల్స్ టు ఫాలో. Right children, what are those different rules? Can you tell? Yes. So for example here, cricket. All of you know about cricket. Right children? Cricket, hockey, football and kabaddi are team games. They need a fixed number of players in one team. In one team, fixed number of players, maybe 12, 13, 14. Like that, we need fixed number of people. And the game should be conducted between those two groups of peoples. And who scores more only? Who scores more, they will be the winner. Right children? All of you understand about outdoor games? Yes. Do you know what are those different outdoor games? Tennis. All of you, I already explained you about tennis, hockey, kabaddi. All these are different types of games. Right children? Now I will show you the different games. Here, what are indoor and outdoor games are there. So here already, up to here we explained now. These are the games played by your grandparents. Now coming to here, this is cricket, football, video game, chess. In this, what are indoor games? Can you tell me? Indoor games entamma? Chess. Chess is a indoor game. Video game is also indoor. Kabaddi and football and cricket are outdoor games. Right children? Turn your page here. You are having some more games. Yes. Here these are the indoor games again. See children? Games played by single person. Here skipping can be played by only one person. Right children? Next, here the games played by group of people here. Here the video game is also played by one people only. Next, yes, cricket. Where you have to play? Cricket, we have to play in the playground. Cricket ground should be there. Coming to here, tennis, we need a court. Here, tennis, playing this player. Right children? Here about cricket. Cricket can be played by two groups. Hockey also and kabaddi also played by two groups. Fixed number of people should be there. Now I will show you some flashcard regarding this one. Right children? Yes children, here are. Do you know what is this game children? Do you know what is this game? Yes, it is cricket. Next, do you know who are these two persons? These two persons are cricket players. First one is Dhoni and the second one is Virat Kohli. Do you know what is this game children? Yes, it is football. It is a outdoor game only children. Do you know who is she? Sindhu. Yes, she is a female sports person. What is this game, children? What is this game? This is a badminton, right? How many people are playing here? 2 people. Understand, children? That is about indoor games and outdoor games. Now I am going to give you the new words regarding today's topic. Go and bring your notebooks, EVS notes, and note down the new words regarding today's topic. New words. Today what we discussed about? Yes, indoor games and outdoor games. What are indoor games? The games which can be played inside the house, we can call them as indoor games. And what are the games we can play outside the house? Those we can call them as outdoor games. Right, children? Indoor games example, board games, chess, caroms, all these we can call them as indoor games. What about outdoor games? Kabaddi, cricket, yes, badminton. We need fixed number of people and we have to follow some rules and regulations to play those games. Right, children? Not only outdoor games, indoor games also having some rules. Right, children? Write down. INDOR, indoor. GAME, game, indoor game. OUT, out. DOOR, outdoor. GAME, game. SINGLE, single. Next. CRICK, TENNIS, tennis. COURT, coat. KABADDI, kabaddi. HOCKEY, hockey. WINNER, winner. TEAM, team. Write down, children. Write down these new words regarding today's topic. Right, all of you understand today's topic. We need for indoor games also we are having rules. Outdoor games also we are having rules. Some games we have the coach. Coach also will be there. Coach is nothing but a trainer who gives the training how to play the tennis or how to play cricket. Those coach will give the training to the people who are playing in the playgrounds or for nationals, internationals. All of you understand? Yes. మీ క్రికెటర్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా ఇప్పుడు క్రికెటర్స్ ఎవరైతే క్రికెట్ గేమ్ ఆడతారో వాళ్ళకి ఎవరు ఉంటారమ్మా కోచ్ ఉంటారు హూ గివ్స్ ద ట్రైనింగ్ టు హౌ టు ప్లే ఎలా ఆడాలి అనేది చెప్పడానికి ట్రైనర్స్ ఉంటారు మీరు ఎక్కడికైనా కోచింగ్కి వెళ్తున్నారా ఏదైనా గేమ్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి లైక్ కబడ్డీ ఆర్ క్రికెట్ something like that. Yes, we have to play games which is very very good for our body. Right, children? Write down these new words regarding today's topic. Write it fast. INDOR, D-O-O-R, indoor. G-A-M-E, game, indoor game. O-U-T-D-O-O-R, outdoor. G-A-M-E, game, outdoor game. S-I-N-G-L-E, single. S-I-N-G-L-E, single. C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. T-E-N-N-I-S, tennis. T-E-N-N-I-S, tennis. C-O-U-R-T, court. C-O-U-R-T, court. K-A-B-A-D-D-I, kabaddi. K-A-B-A-D-D-I, kabaddi. H-O-C-K-E-Y, hockey. H-O-C-K-E-Y, hockey. W-I-N-N-E-R, winner. W-I-N-N-E-R, winner. T-E-A-M, team. T-E-A-M, team. Whom we can call them as winner. Winner ante evaru ikkada? Who scores the more. ఎవరైతే ఎక్కువ స్కోర్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళనే కదా మనం విన్నర్ అంటాం, రైట్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ఇండోర్ అండ్ అవుట్డోర్ గేమ్స్, హౌ దే హ్యావ్ టు ప్లే. దే ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ సమ్ ఫిక్స్డ్ రూల్స్ అనేవి ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ గేమ్. వీడియో గేమ్ కూడా కొన్ని రూల్స్ ఉంటాయి, అవునా కదా, రైట్. అండ్ చెస్, క్యారమ్స్, ఇండోర్ గేమ్స్ ఆల్సో హ్యావింగ్ రూల్స్, outdoor games also having rules. Cricket also having rules, right? How to bowl, how to give a shot, right children? Each and every game is having some set of rules. We should follow the rules, then only we have to play. And who will score the more? Those people we can call them as a winner. And a coach should be there for some games, right children? All of you understand? Again along with me repeat these new words. I-N-D-O-O-R, indoor. G-A-M-E, game, indoor game. O-U-T-D-O-O-R, outdoor. G-A-M-E, game, outdoor game. S-I-N-G-L-E, single. S-I-N-G-L-E, single. C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. T-E-N-N-I-S, tennis. T-E-N-N-I-S, tennis. C-O-U-R-T, court. C-O-U-R-T, court. K-A-B-A-D-D-I, kabaddi. K-A-B-A-D-D-I, kabaddi. H-O-C-K-E-Y, hockey. H-O-C-K-E-Y, hockey. W-I-N-N-E-R, winner. W-I-N-N-E-R, winner. T-E-A-M, team. T-E-A-M, team. Right children, all of you understand? What is the homework for you? You have to write these new words for 5 times in your notes. This is the homework for you. Practice the spellings, then you can remember well the spellings. Right children, tomorrow we will continue our lesson. Thank you children, bye bye.